Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying carrier capabilities and any restrictions. Carriers differ, so call support if unsure. Next, use the quick single call code, dial *67, then the full 10-digit number to mask your ID for that call. Once done, make sure your phone's own caller ID setting is set to hide for persistent privacy. Go to Settings, Phone, Show My Caller ID, and toggle off. This avoids surprises and explains why the network or device might still reveal info. You now execute the call with attention to device and scope. On smartphones, either enter the blocking prefix or enable the Hide Caller ID option, then place the call. The phone sends the request to the network. For landlines, dial the carrier's per-call block code or request per line blocking from support, because hardware may not offer hiding. If you call internationally, confirm the country-specific prefix or use a VoIP service that explicitly supports number withholding. Since you finish by verifying the outcome, ask the recipient or check a secondary phone to see whether the display shows blocked or no caller ID. If the ID still appears, try an alternative method. Use a reputable VoIP app, contact your carrier to enforce per-line blocking, or review corporate PBX rules that may override blocking. Make sure to remember one key troubleshooting tip. Certain numbers, like emergency services, toll-free, or verified business lines, often cannot be blocked due to regulatory or routing requirements, so adjust expectations accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.